Eco-friendly outdoor space, sustainable garden and patio ideas with native plants 2025. Transform your backyard into a sustainable oasis. Welcome to our 2025 showcase of eco-friendly outdoor spaces, where we explore how to design a garden or patio that's beautiful, low maintenance, and kind to the environment. Discover modern landscaping ideas using sustainable materials, recycled features, and native plants that support local ecosystems and reduce water usage. Whether you're planning a backyard makeover, a front yard refresh, or a new outdoor living space, this video is packed with inspiration for green garden design that aligns with today's eco-conscious living. Why choose an eco-friendly outdoor space? Designing an environmentally friendly outdoor area not only helps conserve water, energy, and resources, it also creates a healthier and more resilient ecosystem right in your yard. Using native plants, permeable surfaces, and sustainable materials reduces your carbon footprint and supports local wildlife. In this video, you'll see native and drought-tolerant plants for low-water landscaping, reclaimed wood decks and patios, natural stone pathways and permeable pavers, solar-powered garden lighting, rainwater harvesting systems and barrels, compost areas and organic garden beds, recycled outdoor furniture ideas, green walls and vertical gardens, edible landscaping with herbs, veggies and fruits, pollinator gardens with bees, birds, and butterflies, shaded pergolas with bamboo or FSC-certified wood, outdoor fire pits with eco-fuel alternatives, sustainable materials featured, bamboo fencing and decking, recycled composite furniture, clay, stone, and adobe pathways, concrete alternatives, e.g., rammed earth, recycled glass, organic mulch and natural fertilizers, weather-resistant textiles made from recycled fibers, eco-friendly landscaping tips. Use native plants that are adapted to your climate and require less water. Avoid synthetic pesticides and opt for natural pest control methods. Build rain gardens to absorb stormwater naturally. Select low VOC stains or paints for wood elements. Encourage biodiversity by planting a variety of species. Install drip irrigation systems for efficient watering. Perfect for viewers who are planning a garden renovation or backyard update in 2025. Interested in low-maintenance, water-wise landscapes. Following sustainable or off-grid living practices. Passionate about gardening, permaculture, or native plants. Looking to build an outdoor dining, relaxation, or gathering space. DIY enthusiasts creating eco-conscious patios, decks, or play areas. Like the video if you love eco-conscious design. Comment with your favorite sustainable garden feature. Subscribe to our channel for more green home ideas and eco-friendly design trends. Share this video with friends planning a garden renovation or new outdoor build.